Hey there, today I want to share with you that how to create your personal website with a minimal cost, like only pay for the domain name. You do not need to pay for any kind of hosting. So okay, let me show you. So at first what I did, I created an account in about.me website using Mahmoud Hassan the name, and they give me a name like about.me slash Mahmoud Hassan. And unfortunately their free version, you cannot do many customization without paying them monthly, so that their monthly price is $6.58 per month. In that case you can connect a domain name, your domain name, and you can do many custom thing. So I think this is way too much expensive, because you can create your personal website free even without any subdomain. For example, I do not want to use WordPress or any other content management system. Even you can just visit wordpress.com and create a subdomain, but I also do not want to do that. So what I did, you see, this is my personal website, mahmoudhassan.com, and let me tell you what I did for this website. I only pay, I think, around maybe $10 per year for the domain name only, and I do not pay anything for the hosting. So this is basically a HTML template which I hosted in Google Firebase hosting, which is free. There is a free tier. So after that free tier, if your website is visited by more people, then you may have to pay the extra, but for my case I do not have to pay any extra money. And the editing and just updating is very easy. For example, here I say suppose I have written entrepreneur and senior software engineer. Suppose I wanted to change that thing. So this is the HTML code. Suppose I just wanted to remove this entrepreneur, and I save this file, and I just open my terminal and I just type Firebase deploy. And I already configured Firebase in my system. There is a npm library, so you can easily do that, and you see it is just uploading to the Firebase hosting. Done. And now just come here and just refresh. You see that entrepreneur is gone, that is no longer in here. So very easy. So if you want your personal website or any kind of HTML or React.js based website, you can use this service, Google Firebase hosting, which has a good free tier, and you using just only paying the domain name, you can get your website. So I have another website, title case converter, which I created using React.js framework, I think maybe several months ago. And this is also I created and hosted. I created this website using React.js framework, and I hosted it in Google Firebase hosting. So I do not have to pay any extra money to any hosting service. I just use the Google Firebase free tier limit, and I just pay for the domain name yearly. So that's it. If you want to create your own website, you can just use Google Firebase to host your website.